I am Amit. She's my wife Neha and he's our son Sanvit.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
We have been staying in Gurugram for last 2 years.
So we thought of renovating the house. We were little actually skeptical how to go for it because doing in a pandemic with the contractors and all and going out again and again to look for things, we thought it's going to be very
Risky as well as difficult.
So we visited, I think, Livspace District Centre and we actually liked it a lot. It's a totally different zone. When you go inside, there are so many kitchens, there are so many setups. You feel like you want to stay there or else have the same thing in your home.
And the consultant there, Ridhima, she helped us to not only design our kitchen, which color patterns to choose, which material to choose, even the tiling and everything else.
Their process is very simple and it's very structured. She kept asking us like what is our preference, how do you want to see our kitchen and all.
Overall, it turned out to be a great experience.
Best part of doing with Livspace, I think finishing is very good. Every corner has been touched nicely and the major thing which I liked is post-installation service is really cool. I haven't seen that in India anywhere.
During the installation also, the installation happened on a weekday. So we were not actually here at that time and we came over the weekend and saw that the installation has been done properly and it was up to our satisfaction level.
So they had created a WhatsApp group and morning like the person who was aligned, he would just send a message what he's going to do today and at the end of the day he'll send us the pictures. So that was cool. I think we wanted our kitchen to be very vibrant. Morning you get up and you go to the kitchen and then it should bring a smile on your face. There are colors at one location, then वो बहुत strong colors ना लगे तो उसके लिए उन्होंने थोड़ा सा white के साथ उसको mix करा है. So I like that part, the colors have been divided nicely, it's even.
In flats, generally the kitchens are small. So from that perspective, the space has been utilized properly.
जनरली आटा का रखने का जो एरिया होता है वो उसका ऊपर का काफ़ी स्पेस बहुत ख़राब जाता है बट इसमें दे हैव यूटिलाइज दैट स्पेस एल शेप देकर आई वांटेड इन अ डिफरेंट वे एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग दैट वे सो उन्होंने उसकी जगह फ्लैट स्पेस दिया मुझे लगा जैसे आजकल थोड़ा सा स्पेशल एल आता है विच कम्स आउट एंड इट लुक्स क्लासी बट देन शी गेव अस द अदर ओपिनियन ऑल्सो कि नहीं उसमें सामान नहीं आएगा एंड नोइंग दैट वी हैव एन इंडियन स्टाइल फूड हैबिट्स तो उसके लिए हमारे बहुत यूटेंसिल्स हैं various sizes के and all. Space has been utilized very well actually. Left side का उन्होंने ऊपर cabinets बना के not only kitchen हमने कुछ बाहर की चीज़ें भी उसमें dump कर दी हैं.
It is sufficient for the kitchen related stuff as well as if we want to store something else because we don't have a separate store. So some of the shelves, some of the drawers we are using for other storage also. Though the overall process was smooth and whatever we saw in the time of 3D modeling, whatever colors, whatever material, not even 1% different from that. So overall we were really happy.
So next house definitely from Livspace completely.